Stay Gurubhyo Namaga children. Today we are going to see addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Exercise 4.3. First question. Find the sum or difference. First question. 9 by 13 minus 4 by 30. So find the sum or difference. Okay. First step, we have to see the denominators. Here, denominators are same. See here, 9 by 13 minus of minus 4 by 13. 13 is the denominator. Both the number have same denominator. So in this case, you should write the numerator as it is. So the common denominator is 13. Write the numerator. In the first term, the numerator is 9. Next minus sign is there. Minus of minus 4. Okay. Now you should write it 9. Minus into minus, get plus. So 9 plus 4 by 30. 9 plus 4, what you will get children? 9 plus 4 you get 30. 13 by 30. Now divide this. 13 ones are 13. 13 ones are 13. So what is the answer? 1 is the answer. I repeat this. 9 by 13 minus of minus 4 by 13. First we have to see the denominators. Here denominators are same. So in this situation you have to write the numerator as it is. So 9 minus of minus 4. So minus into minus you get plus. So 9 plus 4 by 13. So 9 plus 4, what you will get children? 13. So 13 by 13. Now both numerator and denominators are same number. So you divide this. What you will get it? 1. So what is the answer? 1 is the answer. Do you understand children? See the next question. 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Here 3 into 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. First you convert into improper. Okay children. So what do you want to do? You have to multiply this 3 into 4. Then you add with a 1. Okay. So 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 4 plus 3 by 4. See the denominator children. Here the denominators are same. So the common denominator is 4. Now you write the numerator as it is 13 plus 3. Now you add this 13 plus 3. What you will get children? 16. 16 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. So 4 by 1, what you will get children? 4. Any number divided by 1, get the same number. So what is the answer children? 4 is the answer. I repeat this. 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. First you convert into improper fraction. After that you add with a 3 by 4. Okay. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now you see the denominators. Denominators are same. So write the common denominators 4 and you add the numerator. So 13 plus 3, what you will get? 16. 16 by 4. Now you divide by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. Now what is the answer children? 4 is the answer. Do you understand children? Shall I move on to the next question? See the next question. 3 by 7 plus of minus 4 by 9. Okay. Here you see the denominator. Here denominators are different. So in this case, what do you want to do children? We have to take LCM. We have to take LCM. Okay. And 7 and 9, there is no common number. there is no common factor except 1. So in these situations, what you want to do, children? You have to multiply the number directly. That is the LCM of the given questions. We already thought that. Okay, you already learned this one. Okay, children. So now 7 and 9. The LCM of 7 and 9 is 63. Okay, because 7 nines are 63. Now we have to make the denominator 63. Okay, so now the common denominator is 63. Look at the first term. Here denominator is 7. So you have to multiply with it 9. Here denominator is 9. So you have to multiply with the 7. Now you multiply, children. 3 nines are 27. Here plus sign is there. Plus of 7 into minus 4 you get minus 28. 27 plus into minus minus 28 divided by 63. Okay. Now here 27 minus 28. What you will get, children? Minus 1 by 63. So what is the answer, children? Minus 1 by 63. I repeat this. 3 by 7 plus of minus 4 by 9. Here denominators are different. So we have to take LCM. 7 and 9. There is no common factor except 1. So that I multiply directly. That is the LCM of the given question. Okay. So 7 nines are 63. Now the common denominator is 63. See the first term. Here denominator is 7. So we need to multiply with 9 only. We will get 63. Once you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also. So 9 threes are 27. And see the second term, here denominator is 9. So we need to multiply with the 7. Okay, 7 nines are 63. So numerator also you want to multiply. 7 fours are 7 into minus 4, what you will get? Minus 28. Now see here plus minus. So now multiply this, plus into minus you will get minus. Okay, so 27 minus 28, what you will get, children? Minus 1 by 63. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by 63. Do you understand, children? Okay, children. See the second question. Second Roman. Add the given pairs of rational numbers. So what we want to do? Add. Addition is given here. Okay, we are going to add these two rational numbers. See the question, minus 8 by 15, comma, 1 into 2 by 15. Okay, first you convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction. So we are going to add minus 8 by 15 plus, because we are going to add. Now you convert this, 15 ones are 15, 15 plus 2, 17 by 50. Now see the denominator, here denominators are same. So write the common denominator 15. Now you write the numerator as it is. Okay, the first term minus 8 is there plus 17. Second time 17 is there. Now you see the number, children, minus 8 plus 17. So now both the number have different sign. So in this case, what do you want to do, children? We have to subtract and put greater number sign. Okay. Now subtract this, what you will get, children? Minus 8 plus 17. What you will get? 9. Here greater number is 17. The sign of the greater number is plus. So 9 by 15. After that, we have to see that any other common factor will be there or not. Okay, see here, these two number is divisible by 3. So you divide by 3. Okay. So 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. Okay. So now what answer you getting? What you are receiving, children? 3 by 5. So what is the answer? 3 by 5. I repeat this. Minus 8 by 15. 1 into 2 by 15. So we are going to add these two rational numbers. You write the first rational number as it is. So we are going to add. That's why I put plus sign here. Okay. Then this one is mixed fraction. So you have to convert into improper. So 15 ones are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 by 15. Now you see the denominators. Here the denominators are same. So the common denominator is 15. If denominators are same means you write the numerator as it is. Okay. So minus 8 plus 17. Here sign are different. So we have to subtract. Minus 8 plus 17, you are getting 9. Okay. So 9 by 15. Now divide by 3 because common factor is there. That's why we are dividing. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. So what is the answer, children? 3 by 5 is the answer. Do you understand, children? Shall we move on to the next question? Okay, children. See here, 8 by minus 15, comma 6 by 10. Okay. Now see the denominators here. Negative sign is there. First you should write it in the numerator place. Okay. So minus 8 by 15. What we are going to do? We are going to add. So put plus sign 6 by 10. Next you see the denominator here. Denominators are different. So we have to take LCM. Okay. So 15, 10. We are going to find LCM. These two number is divisible by 5. 3 5s are 15. 2 5s are 10. Okay. So now you divide by 3. 3 1s are 3. Here we can't divide. So write as it is. So divide by 2. 1 comma 1. Now you multiply these two number. 5 3s are 50. 15 2s are 30. So the LCM equal to 30. Okay. Now the common denominator is 30. Here see the first term. The denominator is 15. So 15 2s are 30. Once you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also. So 2 into minus 8, you get minus 16 plus, here 10 is there. So 10 3s are 30. So numerator also you want to multiply. So 6 3s are 80. Now see here, minus 16 plus 18. So we have to subtract. What you will get? 2. Here greater number is 18. The sign of the greater number is plus. So plus 2 by 30. Now look at this number. Then any other common factor will be the S. These two number is divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 into 15 you will get 30. So now what is the answer? 1 by 15 is the answer. 1 by 15 is the answer. You understand, children? I repeat this. Here denominators are different. So we have to take LCM. LCM of 15 and 10 is 30. So here first term 15 is the denominator. So you have to multiply with a 2. In second term denominator is 10. So you multiply with a 3. After multiplying what you are getting? Minus 16 plus 18 by 30. Now you simplify this, the numerator minus 16 plus 18 you are getting 2. Okay. 2 by 30. Now you divide this, what you are getting? 1 by 15. So what is the answer, children? 1 by 15 is the answer. You understand, children? Let's move on to the next topic. The next one is subtraction. What is that? Next one is subtract. Subtract, the second one, minus 6 by 11 minus of minus 2 by 11. Okay. So here the common denominator is 11. Write the numerator as it is, minus 6 minus of minus 2. First you simplify this bracket. So minus 6 Minus into minus, you will get plus 2 by 11. Minus 6 plus 2, what you will get, children? Minus 4 by 11. So we can't divide this. There is no common factor except 1. So we can't divide this. You write as it is. So what is the answer? We can't simplify this. Okay. So what is the answer? Minus 4 by 11. Okay. See here the subtraction minus 6 by 11 minus of minus 2 by 11. Here the common denominator is 11. Okay. So write the numerator as it is, minus 6 minus of minus 2. So minus into minus you get plus. Okay. Minus 6 plus 2, what you will get? Minus 4. Minus 4 by 11. So what is the answer, children? Minus 4 by 11. See the next question. Minus 5 by 14 minus 10 by 21. Now see the denominator. Here denominators are different. So we have to take LCM. Okay. So the LCM of 14, 21. So these two numbers divide by 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. Divide by 2, what you will get? 1, 3. Then divide by 3, 1, 1. Now you multiply 7 2s are 14. 14 3s are 42. Okay. So now LCM equal to 42. The common denominator is 42. See the first term. Here minus 5 by 14. Here denominator is 14. So we have to multiply with 3. Then only we will get 42. Okay. Here 21 is there. So we have to multiply with 2. Now we multiply 3 into minus 15. 3 into minus 5 you get minus 15. Minus of 2 into 10, 20. 2 tens are 20. Now both the number have same sign. So you have to add. Minus 15 minus 20 you get minus 35 by 42. Now these two number is divisible by 7. 5 sevens are 35. Here minus sign is there. So minus 5 divided by here 6 sevens are 42. So what is the answer? Minus 5 by 6 is the answer. The answer is minus 5 by 6. I repeat this. Minus 5 by 14 minus 10 by 21. Here denominators are different. So we have to take LCM 14, 21. So the LCM of 14 and 21 is 42. Now the common denominator is 42. See the first term, minus 5 by 14. Here denominator is 14. So we have to multiply with the 3 only. We'll get 42. So you multiply the numerator also. So minus 5 into 3, you get minus 15. And second term, the denominator is 21. So you have to multiply with the 2. Okay. So numerator also you want to multiply. 2 tens are 20. Now minus 15 minus 20, you get minus 35 divided by 42. Now divide by 7, what you will get? Minus 5 by 6. What is the answer, children? Minus 5 by 6. Do you understand, children? Thank you, children.